Namaste. Today we are making a classic Kerala-style cabbage thoran. This dish is a staple in every Sadya, and here's how you can prepare. Heat a pan and add some oil. You can choose either coconut oil or olive oil. Coconut oil enhances the flavor and aroma, making it perfect for Kerala-style dishes. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds and let them splutter. Next, toss in 1 or 2 red chillies broken into halves. Then add shallots. I have used 3 to 4 shallots here. Feel free to add more because the more shallots you use, the tastier it gets. Once the shallots are sauteed and lightly golden, add garlic. If you prefer not to use garlic, you can skip it. Saute everything well until the mixture turns aromatic, filling your kitchen with a delicious fragrance. Once the shallots are sauteed, add the chopped big onion. I've used 1 large onion here, but feel free to adjust the quantity based on your preference. Mix well, and as the onion starts to cook, add the urad dal. I'm adding it at this stage to prevent it from burning, which could happen if added earlier while spluttering the mustard seeds. Stir everything well and let it cook. Now, add green chilies, adjusting the quantity according to your spice tolerance. Next, add the grated cabbage. Toast it well, ensuring it combines thoroughly with the mixture in the pan. Allow it to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's partially done. At this stage, sprinkle turmeric powder and add salt to taste. Mix everything well to evenly distribute the flavors. Finally, add the grated coconut, the star ingredient that brings a unique flavor to every Kerala dish. Combine everything well and let it cook for a few more minutes. Finish, add curry leaves. I have used dried curry leaves here, but if you prefer, you can use fresh ones and add them earlier while preparing the tadka. Mix everything one last time and your delicious Kerala-style cabbage thoran is ready to serve.